Hey, Beats Mats Mox here, back for another mock video. I've filmed so many of these, you would not believe it, and they're scheduled to just keep coming and just keep coming. Even if this building is gone, the video will probably be out there. Like, this probably won't even be published until after Philly Brickfest, and by then, this is one of the buildings slated for sale. So, yeah. Anyways, this building is kind of significant. This is the Sazbucks and Dave Comic Book Store, which is two businesses that were always kind of combined ever since I built the third iteration of Sazbucks, which is one of the oldest establishments in the city. This building, I wanted to go for a more beat-looking, kind of British-style building. So as you can see, it's very simple on the outside, with lots of filler in places. And it's just a nice two-story building, lots of flags, lots of advertising. So you got Sazbucks on this side, although I should really flip it around so it says Sazbucks above coffee. But we all know the drill. And then you have, of course, Dave's is upstairs, accessed through the stairwell behind the girl. So let me take apart the building, this will be another high edit video, so we can see the inside. Starting with Sazbucks, as you can see, it's a little more cramped than the old Sazbucks. Got the staircase on this side, and now, of course, a little restaurant in here. It's served by the same two baristas. Yeah, baristas, as it's always been. That one girl that I got somehow spare from a Lego movie set. And, of course, everyone's favorite Führer is over here, serving coffee as normal to the same two patrons as every single time. Because I literally pulled everything from the same building. This is mostly built from the old building, plus then some. But yeah, it's just very simple on the inside, and so it is for Dave's side. So let's put the second floor back on, and we'll take a look at the comic shop. Dave up here runs quite the little nifty business, using a historic Lego door as the entrance to his shop. It's a lot smaller than it used to be, not as much, but Dave still keeps it going. He's got Lego for sale, all sorts of books and manuals you could ever want, some drinks, and of course a TV to stream the latest shows. Dave lives a pretty good life up here. But yeah, that's literally it. That's all for this building. I got a roof. Just kind of sticks on like this. And there you go. So that's the building. Hope you like, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.